So the reason why it sounds this good is not only because of the R1250 exhaust, but the BT Moto tune that I just did on this. All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. It is another beautiful day here in New Jersey. I am on Airwolf, my 2022 BMW R1250GS. And we're going to go out for another ride, check out some awesome destinations across some great backcountry roads here in New Jersey. And I'm taking you with me. Enjoy. So hopefully you can hear the sound of that R1250 exhaust. It just sounds freaking awesome on this bike. I hope you can hear that rumbling on the way down, my goodness. So the reason why it sounds this good is not only because of the R1250 exhaust, but it's because of the BT Moto tune that I just did on this bike recently. You're going to want to stay tuned. I've got a full video coming up, the full process end to end on how this BT Moto Flash just transformed this bike. Just absolutely awesome. The best boots in the business right there. Indy Ridge. Make sure you go check them out. Really nice golf course right here. Right off of Navesink River Road. Check out these houses. Shown you this area here before, but look how awesome this thing looks. this area here, this is Rumson Road. This road takes you right into Seabright Beach. Beautiful road, beautiful homes. Now this right here is going right into Seabright Beach. This is Seabright. See the sign right there for Seabright. It's a great picture spot. Everybody's hanging out here by the beach.
So this is the Wave Resort, and it pulls us off here to pedestrian, only for pedestrian traffic. You can ride your bikes through across, and then you can certainly keep riding. You can either ride or drive straight through there. You just got to kind of come back around, and the main entrance to Pier Village is on the other side, just behind those buildings back there. But again, an awesome, awesome area. So look, I'm gonna end it right here. I'm gonna go for a nice walk, enjoy the scenery. Do me a favor, if you like this kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.